Hi, I'm Vernaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a very exciting recipe for you for keto chips, or in some countries they call them crisps. They are almost zero carbs and turn out so yummilicious. I made a batch. Let me show you what it looks like and do a taste test. Here, listen to the crunch. Guilt-free chips. So we're standing in my kitchen. Let's get cooking. So let's begin. Here I've taken a silicone muffin pan. You can also use a metal one, but if you're using a metal one, you need to oil the bottom. Also, you can use 3-4 muffin pans together. Now I'm going to be using liquid egg whites, and you put in just 1.5 to 2 teaspoons in each cavity. Don't fill it up, literally at the bottom, that's it. And fill up each cavity, and like I said, you can use 3-4 of them muffin pans and put it all together in the oven. Here I'm shaking it so it takes the entire round at the bottom. And now I'm going to add literally 2 to 3 little slivers of any kind of shredded cheese. You can use Parmesan, you can use mozzarella, cheddar. Now also you can use any seasonings and herbs of your choice. Everything bagel seasoning. I'm using a little chili powder. You can also use oregano, thymes, etc. Now it's ready to go into the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. After it finishes baking for 10 minutes, allow it to completely cool down in the oven with the oven door shut. And here you have the most yummilicious chips. Thanks.